Hi guys, in this video I want to share with you something small, something very interesting. When I tried to go out with it, I discovered it made a cracking sound. So I thought maybe it's the drive system. I tried moving forward, backwards, and then I realized the drive system is working well. Then finally it just made other crackling sounds like cack, 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 cack. But it was still running, so I said, let me check the bonnet under the hood and see what's happening. And that's when I discovered the fan belt was out, and also I discovered a rat or a mouse. So let me just show you where it was holed up, and then we see what happens from there. So because this happened yesterday, you can see all these pulleys. We don't have a belt because that belt runs the alternator. So the first error I also saw on the dash was the battery sign, meaning that there's something wrong with the battery, and then the auto start stop system was also indicating, meaning that there was a problem with it. Now when you look down there, let me try to point that out. The problem I have is between those two bolts, that's where the rat or the mouse was, and here is the culprit. I've just got him out. So these things can really mess you up. But anyway, I just want to grab it with the pliers, which I used to get it out from there by the tail. And then because in this area of ours we have a field over there, that's where I want to go and throw it. So always be very keen when you're in a car. When you hear some strange noises, just work with where the noise is coming from. The noise came from the front, so I thought, because I was using a spare tire, maybe it's the drive system. And then I checked that seemed to not be the problem. And then also now we had a situation where I now had to check the under the hood, and that's where we discovered this guy, and I'm gonna throw him right in that field. So it's important, if you hear some sound, always counter check, and if you have an issue that was there previously, go back to that issue first. So for me, I used the spare tire, so I thought maybe it's a drive issue, it's a drivetrain issue, and then I moved the car backwards, forwards, it was okay. But now we come to that continuous cracking sound, cack, cack, cack. Then I said, let me check under the hood, because that's where the sound was coming from. And then that's where I discovered, oh my god, we have that rodent, and the belt was out. So what I want to do now is just make a call while I'm here, because I have the engine number, the chassis number, and all these things. And then I find out how much the belt will be, and then I can make an order and we can have it replaced. So in addition to that, I have this two-wheel drive that I need to check just the oil, because it's at 8,500 kilometers, and I just need to be sure of the quality of oil. It's almost due for service, and that's what I want to check out, and then we see what happens. So in this video, that's what I'm going to be showing you. So this is the Nissan HR15DE engine. It's a 1500cc petrol engine, and this is the dipstick. So I ran it for about 30 minutes. I've let it cool for over 10 minutes. So what I want to do is to check the oil. So let's see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Not black. So let me just wipe it, and then we see how it goes. So let's check this and see how it is. So still goldish. I have these serviettes to help me with that. So let's now check the level and we see what is there. Oh, it's a bit of dust out there. So let me guide it in. Good. So the level is good, it's at high. The color is good. This is chocolate or gold, whatever, but it's not black. So I think this can last up to 10k because I'm checking it at 8,500. I think 8,500. Let me just grab that so that I can see if I can show guys that. Where is the key? The key is in the house. Get me the key.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, so let's just confirm the what, the kilometers. What I normally do, I set a trip for, so there you go, 85, 97. I normally set up the trip to count up to the service. All right, so we've checked the oil, looks good. You've seen it's around 8,560. Now the next thing we need to do is to check on the air filter, because those ones directly affect the engine. You can't check the oil filter. So for this kind of engine, you have that, and then you have this. Let's see. Yep, it's very, very dirty. So that means I can either decide to push on for the remaining kilometers, or do what we call replace this and then just wait for the service. So a simple, just move out, you'll get the dust will get to you. Another thing you can do is just do that, just to dislodge those particles, because I don't have the blower, or rather the blower that I have is cabled and I've used it on the computer, so I can decide to be creative with it, but the cable will not be long enough. So this is just a temporary fix. It's more of a first aid. It's more of first aid. Yeah, and then I check inside the box. Yeah, there's some doo-doos, some dust, so seems to be working well. And then we put it back. So simple as that, and it locks right into place. And because I'm here, I can also decide to check on the transmission fluid. So that one is hidden here. Are you showing people where that castic is? Good. So there we go. You can see how it is. It needs to be between these two, is it grooves or what? And it seems okay. For ATF you smell it. Smelling slightly burnt, so it's something I can look at. The color is still good. It uses J-Matic, so it still looks good. So I think those are the necessary things. For the plugs, we'll check it another time. Coolant, just have a look at the coolant level. Just come and show this. It's in between the minimum and max, so that is good enough. The belt, the other time I checked the belt and then we ended up with a problem on the SUV. So these are two-wheel drive. The belt is here, looks good. Yeah, you just look at it inside, you look at the grooves inside. If I had a light source, so I'll check it. I think this belt needs changing. Yeah, I think it needs changing. Let me just show guys something here and why I'm saying it needs changing. Because let me see if I can. Yeah, can you see that? Those are small cracks. So it means I need to have it replaced. Need to replace it. So the oil filter is down there, and then that's okay. Look at the brake fluid. It's in between the minimum and max. That's okay. And then that's okay. Today we have a lot of things happening. What we want to do right now is jump starting a vehicle. So watch this and see what happens. So the first thing you do, make sure you connect the right terminals like that. You may need to rev it or not, depends. Let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so that was a simple thing. Just do a bit of revving and then the vehicle is up. This is a 79 series and it's now up and running. We are good to go. So the next thing you do, just disconnect the cables and make sure you don't switch off the car. So I did wait for about 3 or so hours. Remember I said that I needed the chassis numbers so that I can be able to get quotations for the right parts from a reputable store, and that's exactly what I did. So they called me back. I know what to expect, so I'm just going to make an arrangement and pick it from the branches where they are available, and maybe I can throw in any other part that I feel I can work on. So thank you so much for watching stuff that boys do. Have a nice time. Keep checking out for more videos, and God bless you and your family.